What's up, people? How you doing? I go by the name of Kenyan Driver 2. You can see here today we are at Thika. We're on our way to a place called Kitui. Yeah, it's Easter. You gotta go home, man. I've not been home for a while, so I have to go home this weekend. I'm also on a mission to scout a place whereby the classic BMW group can go for a drive in the next month or the month after. So we decided, since I was going that side, I'll go and scout for areas, I'll go and scout for good roads. This is a good road to Kitui town. It's flat, you use less fuel, it's smooth, there's less traffic, apart from this stupid intersection. So, let's get to it. Someone tell me what that is. This guy's spoiler looks like a coat hanger. Come on, Toyota people, come on.
I don't go chasing miracles, no. That's not how my story goes. You could be my hero before I let you go. Cause I don't go chasing fairy tales, no. That's not how my story goes. I've been down this road before, I've seen the fall. And I won't fall for you. I've been there before. I don't wanna fall for you. So less hurt and more thought. Can't lose, no, I won't fall for you. No, I won't fall for you. And I won't fall for you.
Hello? Hey, Sema. Okay, I'm coming.
Hello?
Sawa, wacha nikap.
Hello?
Hello. Wacha nikuje.
Sawa.
Trip update. We had left, I had left Thika. I was opening up the throttle and I passed this guy. He was on the side of the road. This is Noel from our classic group. He just bought this car and I don't know it. I knew his other car, the green one. So after I've gone like a few kilometers, he calls me, "Oi, manzama niacha kwa barabara." So I turned back and came. He's telling me he has a problem. We are trying to get to a town that's up ahead. Then we check out the car. We know what's going on. So yeah, never leave a beamer behind. We've checked out his car. It's moving. He can get to where he's going and he can go back to Nairobi. But he'll have to do some repairs here and there once he gets time and gets home. So let's continue the trip. We're almost there. We are halfway there.
That's not how my story goes. Every time I've let you in, you've let me down. And the people who say that it's magical, no, that's just how their story goes. Tell me if I let you in, will you be my foe? No, I won't fall for you. I've been there all before. I don't wanna fall for you. So let's hide, and my thought can't lose. No, I won't fall for you. No, I won't fall for you. And I won't fall for you.
Right, see that? Kishuki Bavarian. Nigga, you'll come from that side. You know the date. You'll know the date soon. Right, just turned off the Thika Garissa highway. I'm on the road to Kitui town. We're doing well. We are doing well. It's a good time. No. Such a busy place. But they litter around whenever they stop here. I don't know why. They really litter this place. Nema, do your thing. So, let's get there.
Can I break this hold from you? It would mean everything to me if I do. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. The future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending all my time living all I've made up. I need to wake up.
Right, I had to pass by the farm and check out how things are, and also drop off all this stuff back here has to be dropped off here. It's chicken feed and whatnot. So let's do that, go around the farm kidogo and then be on our way. Right, we're done, gone through the shamba, delivered the chicken feed. What time is it? It's now 3:15. What time is it? It's now 3:15. No, 4:15. So let me get home. Right. Welcome to Kabati, Kitui. Not the Kavati you know on that Embu Road. This is Kabati. Same meaning. We're about to leave. Shit, I hadn't seen that farm. Mark these things, man. We're about to leave the tarmac, get on the rough road. And then now it will be slow going. But there, Rohan, Hagai, Gishuki, Bavaria. I've used a quarter tank from Nairobi to here. I filled up to 3/4, and now I've just used I now have a half a tank. So I've just used a 1/4 tank from Nairobi to Kabati. But obviously, since I'm going on the rough road, I'm going to drop my gears, so they're going to be slow. Fuel consumption will be higher. What can you do? Check out the road, man. Anyway, the reason why we're on this road is this is not the main road. It's the main road that we've left behind. The main road has rocks that can puncture your tire. I mean, just like that can puncture your tire. I mean, just oh shit, these stupid bumps. Who builds these things? Anyway, this is not the main road. The main road, we've left the main road behind. The one that goes to Mwingi. The reason why we are not using it, it has rocks, and these rocks can puncture a tire just like that. I mean, they are sharp, it's rough. Even if they would puncture a tire, I mean, the ride will be just uncomfortable. I mean, this road, look at it. It's super smooth because it's a cattle truck road. Although guys have started using it as a main road, like you can see behind me, the Kenya Power truck. So we use it, we avoid the rough sections of the main road until, I don't think guys will be using it until they put tarmac. The tarmac is coming from Kibwezi. So soon it will be, I mean, getting home will be like a dream, smooth all the way from Nairobi. So now this is the main road. Check out the corrugation. Everything is shaking. This is the road to Mwingi and also to Mombasa through Kitui, through Kibwezi. This is the road that they are tarmacking. Unfortunately, they started on the southern side. Damn. This part is smooth because one, it's been raining, so the corrugations have been smoothed out by the vehicles that pass here, and also the rocky section has been left behind. So we are going to go over those hills to the blue hills that you can see there. That's where my home is. That's where I come from. I'm home. We figured. And then, guess who I've met on the road? That's the Y11 right there. Oh, it feels so good to be back here. Told you we were going up to those hills there. To those hills there. See them? Oh, it's been a while. These are going to be 3 days of pure relaxation, clean air, silence. There's no Nairobi hum. Yeah, oh yeah. So if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. Have a great day and take care.